Lotte Department Store and Lotte Young Plaza. Here is Myeongdong Street. Here, welcome to paradise, Jimin. Jimin is one of the BTS members. Right. On right hand side, the Zara. Left hand side, Cyan, Michelle, all kinds of brand name here, and street food is also on my right, on my back. If you touch the screen, you can see in my back side Moon's Care, Godiva, the famous chocolate. Innisfree is one of the famous Korean cosmetic brand, I think. Not that many people here due to the coronavirus or COVID-19. Interesting. And this is Myeongdong Street. Last year when I was here, the street was bustling with people. Here on my right hand side, UNESCO 한국위원회, Korea National Commission for UNESCO. Here, Energite, the shoes and sportswear here, and here Nature Republic is one of the famous brands here. Police, Myeongdong Police. Okay, left hand side, all the building. I'm not sure this is now it's used as a Myeongdong Art Theater. Okay. Oh, now I see a street vendor, just one. What is this? Jimin. Jimin, the BTS Jimin's here. Happy birthday, Jimin. Daiso is also famous distribution channel here. Uri Bank, Myeongdong Financial Center, my right hand side, and the my left hand side is Paris Baguette, also famous in Korea, and Shinhan Bank, left hand side. Okay, the street is not bustling, not many people here today, but some people from Japan and China, I think, some people I see. Now, in front of me, there's a Catholic church, but I just see the rectangular building, Catholic Hagan. But if I go up to about 100 meters, then there is the famous Myeongdong Cathedral. Now I see one of the building of the Myeongdong Cathedral, Myeongdong Church. I think that's more than 100 years old building. My left hand side is a Royal Hotel Seoul. When I worked around here, I visited here several times. Okay, familiar chapel, and this is also one of the Myeongdong Church building. Okay, now I see the Myeongdong Church. This is very famous in Korea. Myeongdong 1898, and this is the Myeongdong or Myeongdong Church. Let me go this way then. Okay. Oh, I like birds flying. I like to see birds flying. So if you watch my YouTube channel, there are a lot of birds and water. I like waterfall and the sound of the water and the birds. So if I find the birds or sound of water, I usually take picture. This is a famous Myeongdong Church, Myeongdong Cathedral, Catholic Church, 문화관, cultural center or culture. Not many people here also. Okay. Okay. SK Hotel, Seoul YWCA. This is a cathedral guideman, Costa or Chapel, Saint Mary Cafe, gift shop, main building over the Archdiocese. Cathedral is my left hand side. Let's check it out. This time it is 1:20 now. I have a meeting with my colleague at 1:45, so let's hurry up to the Jogesa temple, the famous temple in Korea. It's not far from here, but I think it will take about 15 to 20 minutes to arrive at Jogesa temple. Okay.